Hey guys, Rick and Parry Vlogs here, and today I told you that I will show my motorbikes, well, my family's motorbikes. So this was my dad's on-road Yamaha. It's pretty nice. Now if we go around to my back garden, I want to show you the two good little ones. So this is an old quad, yeah. These two, the little one there, the husky, is mine. The one behind that is my mum's. This pink, purple one. I've got my own set of stuff to clean here, to clean my motorbike. Got my body armor up there, right there, and these two really good bikes are just little my mum and dad's bikes, and I'm like, they're too small for you. These, my dad's little one. Look how little that is. My mum's little one. I'm like, they're just too small for you. So yeah, this one here is my dad's. And this one here is my mum's. They are so fast. They are so fast, but they're just so small. I think they could be like for a 4 or 5 year old. I'll just go put this one back over here. Right, put that back. So guys, I hope you liked my family's and all that's motorbikes. And remember to like, comment and subscribe. Peace.